What I really love about this job is that I get to help all these incredibly talented, smart people come up with these amazing new technologies that I'm sure will affect our lives for the years to come. Things that I know I would have never thought were reality, but I get to watch people make them every day.
I enjoy working with our customers. Our customers are great usually. I enjoy going to sites, visiting with different people, meeting different people, and fixing the system, because there's a satisfaction when you lay your hands on something and then you come away and that thing that was broken is now fixed. Hello, my name is David Wilkinson. I'm originally from Cambridge in England. I've been working for the company for 22 years now. I've been a field service engineer for the past 8 years.
My name is Benjamin Welch. I'm from Denmark, Maine originally. I have worked for Raith for 3 years now as a service engineer in Southern California. I originally went to school in University of Rhode Island and also T. Braunschweig for electrical engineering in German.
And you learn something every day. The systems are very, very complex, and they have complex issues because we're working with nanometers, not millimeters.
At Raith, I've learned what it takes to work with these customers that are making this cutting edge technology, who have demanding specifications. It's very clear when these specifications aren't met. So a level of responsibility and planning and problem solving that's, I would say, atypical in a traditional work setting.